How's it going, guys? This is Mike from Financial Tech Wiz, and today I'm going to share with you how to use my Apex Trader Funding coupon code. So the first thing you want to do is click on the link in the description, and then you can scroll down here and it should populate automatically with the Financial Tech Wiz coupon code right here. So you basically just have to click which plan you want, which is Rhythmic, or you can use Tradovate. So I'm going to go with Tradovate, and then you get brought to this screen right here, and you're basically just going to have to fill in your info. So let me just do that real quick. And in this box right here, it's important that you enter the coupon code, which I will have in the description. So just paste that in there. Then you just want to go ahead and agree to all of this stuff here. Obviously read it first, and then click next. And then basically after that, you're going to get a link sent to your email address, and from there you can pretty much just continue the sign up process. But that is basically how you use the coupon code. It'll save you about 80% off at the time of this video. If that changes, I will update it in the description so you guys get the best deal possible.